Alright, so I'm going to go through the installation of IBM SPSS Modeler 18.5 on Windows 11. First, make sure that your software specs will allow the application to be ran. So look at your settings, go to System, check About. I already know this is going to work, so I'm going to close that. And then you have to check which browsers will work, but I've had really good luck using Firefox for this. So we're gonna use the download director method, which is faster, and we're also gonna need Java 8 to get the download director to work. And the links to these websites will be provided in the description. So on this side, we're going to be starting with downloading Java 8. It's going to give you an exe, so we're just going to run that. It's going to ask you yes or no. Click yes. We're going to click install. So now, I believe that's, oh, we're not done yet. Alright, it says it's been successfully installed. We're going to close that window. Then we're going to go to the IBM download director website. We're going to click, you don't have to accept all here. We're going to scroll to the bottom, click install. It may say unverified download blocked, so we're going to open that, and we're going to select download unverified file. So we're going to check our downloads. It looks like it's already been done, so we're going to click on that. So it says IBM download director has been successfully installed. So now we're going to close that window. Alright, so I'm going to go back to D2L where it gives us the part numbers for each operating system. I'm going to start with copying this link. So Control C. I'm going to move over to Firefox. Control V. Press enter. It says enter your academic email. So I'm just going to go through logging in here first. It looks like the page loaded correctly because I'm on Firefox. So I'm going to click on data science, and then we're going to find IBM SPSS Modeler Premium. Click on that. First I'm going to copy the license key, so I'm going to click on this, copy the code, so now it's going to be attached to my clipboard for future use. I'm going to click on download for Windows. So you're going to see search options. We're not going to worry about that. This part number is wrong. We're going to make sure that download director is selected. So these are the different files that you can get. So it looks like we need part number MOCN-XML. We're going to highlight that, and MOCP1ML. So highlight that one. So now that both of these are checked, we can click on agree, and then we're going to select download now. So it just downloaded it to the same location that it was previously. It will load and get to this point. Don't worry about setup, just close that window. Now we're going to navigate to where it said those files were. So we're going to click on C, then users, click on the current user where all this was done. So that'd be that one. Then we're going to look for download director. So once you have these downloaded, they'll be downloaded as a zip file. We're going to, don't worry about this file here, the one with PRM. You want to focus on this one. Then you're going to click on extract all, or you can right click and extract all. This process is also very similar to what it would be on Windows 10. So now that we have that folder extracted, we're going to open it. Then we're going to look for these file extensions here. We're going to look up, we're going to try looking for setup.exe. To make sure you have file extensions here, you're going to click on this three-dot icon, go to options, and make sure, after you click on view, make sure that this hide extensions for known file types is not checked. Once it's not checked, you're going to click apply and then OK. So here's the setup.exe. We're going to double click that. It's going to say yes or no. Click yes. Here's the installation wizard that pops up. We're going to click next. Accept the terms. It's going to tell you where it's being installed to. We're going to click next. Click install. It says the setup must update files or services that cannot be updated while the system is running. We're just going to click OK. Okay, it says it's been successfully installed. Click finish. It says you must restart your system for the configuration changes made to take effect. Then this little modular trial version pop-up is going to show. We're going to click on license product. It's going to say no licenses found. So we're going to click next, and that's where the code comes into play. We're going to make sure that authorized user license is checked and not this one. So then we're going to click next, and then we're just going to paste that code that we copied earlier here. We're going to click next again. It's going to say authorization succeeded and successfully processed all codes. Then we're going to click next. And it's going to say your license is effective the next time you start your product. So after this is restarted, I won't do it now because I'm currently recording. After we restart, we're going to go down to our taskbar and search for IBM SPSS Modeler 18.5, and it should run correctly. The only difference with using the HTTP method is that so if you select this, you can only download one at a time, but you're going to select the same part numbers. So once you select one and download it, you can uncheck that one. So I'll just try that right now. So I have HTTP selected, this one, agree, download it. It's going to be a lot slower than the download director method, but now that that's started downloading, we're going to uncheck it. Let's see, what was the other part number? MOCNXML. So this one, so we're going to check that one. Click agree again and download now. And you'll see that both of them have been downloaded. You're basically going to do the same thing as before, it just takes a lot longer. So this says 59 minutes left. So like I said before, once this is done, right click on this CLT, extract all, and then find that setup.exe file and perform the same steps as before. And that's the only major difference. So we've restarted our computer. The next thing we're going to do is go down to our taskbar, search for IBM SPSS. We're going to click on this just to verify that our install worked. And it looks like it loaded just fine. And that concludes our installation video. Thank you.